This video brings together 8 secret unlocking tips from a 20-year-old locksmith. If you always forget to bring your keys when you go out, you will definitely need these keyless emergency unlocking methods. The first method is the iron sheet unlocking method. Find an iron sheet and draw a trapezoid to cut it off completely. Insert the protrusion of the card along the outside of the lock ring to the unlocking side. At this time, rotate the iron sheet and the lock will automatically open. This method will not damage the structure of the lock and can be used again after reinserting the key. The second method is to hold the lock ring with 2 wrenches at the same time and press the wrenches inward. This method can open most pin locks. The third method is to tie an iron sheet to a small motor and insert it into the lock core. The iron sheet will vibrate continuously in the lock core. The pins will be vibrated to the correct position and the lock can be unlocked. The fourth method is to stack multiple magnets and place them on one side of the pin lock key implementation structure. The magnets will absorb and move the internal pins to simulate the key insertion and directly open the pin lock. The fifth method is to collect the flammable materials on the head of the firewood and grind them with an axe. Then introduce them into the lock core. Then insert a fuse lock, ignite it, and burn it to the lock core. As the flammable materials in the lock core explode, the pin lock will be directly blown open. Let's take a look at the sixth method. Use a knife to scrape the side of the pin and use a screw to insert the small hole on the side of the pin to destroy the internal pin mechanism. All the internal parts are poured out. Then just turn it gently to open the pin lock. The seventh method is to find a pin and use pliers to pinch it into a wavy shape. Then bend the tail of another pin into a right angle. Insert the wavy iron wire and keep waving it. After the right-angled pin is inserted, rotate it in the direction of unlocking. When the pin is pushed to the correct position, it can be directly unlocked. The eighth method is to use a thin and long saw blade to insert the pin lock hole and use the saw teeth to simulate the key tooth shape. Pay attention to details. Here you need to move up and down while moving back and forth and turn the saw blade hard. When the pin in the lock returns to the correct position, the lock is opened.